we have learned about list. Multiple values will be stored at a single variable, which is nothing but list. But here is the problem with the list. What if certain values should never change? Like your date of birth, coordinates of Taj Mahal, or days in a week, or months in a year, which should never change. So it's not possible with list. Now what to do? Here I come with an idea. Write like tuples for data which will never change and sets for the data which always should be unique. Let's get into the video. Today we are going to do mastery in tuples and sets. Tuples are immutable. Sets are used for set operations. So before writing a piece of code, let us understand like a write tool or write tool for a write data. Like when you are using Aadhaar card where your date of birth is fixed, GPS coordinates, then we use tuple because latitudes and longitudes will never change. Whereas your Insta followers, unique visitors, these all we will be using sets. Now in today's class, you will be learning 4 things you must know. One is how to create a tuple, what methods you can use with the tuple, and also how to create sets and set operations. Let us learn how to declare a tuple. You all know, like I have created a list. You all know I have given a list 1, 2, 3. So list starts with square bracket, which are mutable. Mutable means which can be changed. Whereas tuple, it will be started with the round brackets, which are immutable. If you want, you can use a single value, like round bracket open 5 comma something else. So single item with a comma, you have to mention. This is a way of declaring a tuple. Also like coordinates, if you see 28.6 comma 77.2, also you can declare where you no need brackets, still it is valid. This is how you create a tuple. So today our first program is how our GPRS works. So if you see your Taj Mahal, I have given the coordinates, latitudes and longitudes, and India Gate also latitude and longitude has been given. So what is the latitude of something of Taj Mahal? You just need to mention as if you are mentioning it. So you get the latitude of the Taj Mahal, longitude of the Taj Mahal. Students is equals to Priya Sharma and her ID is something, roll number is something, department is CSC and so on. Year is 2024. Now let us print everything. If you see, I have printed everything, like Priya's name is something, roll number is something, department is C. Now let us try to override, instead of Priya, let it be Rahul. Okay, and see whether it works or not. So just I update, sorry, then I run. If you see, there was an error here. What is that error? If you see clearly, it is a tuple. That's the reason why you cannot change. Now let us go into another topic, that is sets. A set always stores multiple unique values. Okay, so if you see clearly a set is started or used flower brackets, and if you see I have given 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Now let us see what happens if I print nums. I get it 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at only first output. Okay, this is one way of declaring set. Another way of declaring set is I am using an empty set. So empty is equals to set, means you will get nothing in it. Okay, so this creates an empty set. Now convert the list to set to remove it, duplicates. So there was a list already. In that list, I just want it to convert into set so that it divides multiple values. Same thing works with your Insta followers, right? You follow Virat twice, but it shows you already followed, so you cannot follow him twice. Or unordered and no index will be working for sets. Let us look into another program where I have given set of roll numbers and I want only number of entities list. Once it is unique, what is the thing and other things. So if you see, I have given 101, 102. So I have declared in the list this declaration. And once I run, they are totally how many? They are total 8 entries. But after removing duplicate, I get only 5 entries. Okay. So often Instagram, you get mutual friends, right? So let us crack the code, how your mutual friends can be found. So Priya is following Anjali, Vikram, Sneha, and so on. Similarly, Rahul is following something. Now, if you see this symbol, this is union symbol. Okay, what is this? This is union symbol, which will get all the values of, means it is combination of Priya and Rahul, what are the friends. Intersection is only common mutual friends you will be getting. And what is the difference between Priya when removed with Rahul? The common elements. What are the unique values of Priya? And you have this symbol now. This is used for same difference. So let us. So if you see what are the common names has been executed, and then common are Sneha, Dev, and Vikram. And what are the, if you see, although I have merged Priya and Rahul by using union operator, but if you see here carefully, you get different names. No name is repeated. And Rahul minus Priya minus Rahul is Anjali and Kiran. These two people are unique, which were not there in with Rahul. Similarly, sim difference is Anjali, Kiran, Meera, and Arjun. Okay, means which are not there in both. Okay, these are different. Okay, I have a course enrollment program. Okay, so there are Python classes and Java classes. So these are the list of people who have enrolled for Python and Java. I just want to know how many have been enrolled for both, only Python and total unique names. How many unique names are there? So let us run the code and see. Python classes and Java classes is nothing but taking both Sneha, Vikram, and Anjali are taking all the three classes, whereas Rahul and Priya is taking only Python. They doesn't take Java classes. Total length is 7 people has been enrolled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is a simple comparison. List versus tuple versus set. So list will be started with square brackets, tuple with round brackets, set will be started with curly brackets, or you can use a set, round bracket, open, round bracket. List and tuples are ordered, whereas set is unordered. List is mutable and set also can be added or removed. So it can be changed. Whereas tuple is fixed. And list will allow duplicates. Tuple also will allow duplicates, whereas set will not allow duplicates. So list and tuples will be positioned with the help of index, whereas sets cannot do it. So general data we use list, fixed data we use tuple, set we will use unique values only. List is slow, tuple is fast, set is fast for search. Real examples is the shopping cart is for list, tuple is GPS coordinates, and set is for unique visitors. Generally, this comparison is asked almost in every interview. So take the screenshot and save it. School database system. Okay. So for that, I have taken, like here we will be using list, tuple, and sets together. So I have taken, in a list, I have taken tuples. So Priya, Rahul, Anjali, Vikram, and Sneha, these details, 5 people details I have used it. Now I am using sets to find like unique departments. What are the unique departments who have chosen what? And then I am trying to identify unique batches, which batches this belongs to. And also I am trying to find what the first name is using the same thing or not, like collecting CSC students. And then I also try to find a search, like whether this particular number is available here or not. And total summary, how many belongs to which, how many students are there, they belong to which department. Now, if you see clearly, so there are only 3 departments, but I have given 5 sets, means somewhere something is repeating. So batches are 2024 and 2023, 2 batches are there. CSC students are of 3 people. So repetition is of these 2 people. So SOO3 is found, whether this value is there or not. Yes, it is there. And the total number of students are 5, total departments are 3. So take the screenshot of the entire program or pause the video and practice it. Take 2 lists with duplicate numbers and find the both common value and which is the number only have and all the unique numbers across both. I have explained earlier. So try it and find out the solution. Pause the video, complete it. I hope you have completed this task. So solution for it is I have taken 2 lists and I converted the 2 lists into sets so that what are the common things I'll be getting only in list 1. What is there? If I remove list 2, you will be getting what or the all unique sets I will be getting here. So that. Let us discuss 5 mistakes every beginner makes with tuples and sets. Empty set declaration. Always you should not use curly bracket open, curly bracket close because it's a dictionary. You have to use empty is equals to set round bracket open, round bracket close. Single item has to be denoted. Generally they write single item is single is equals to round bracket open 5. They don't write comma, but comma is must to consider it as a tuple. Whereas indexing position 0, 1, it is a type error. You already know it. Whereas triad
trying to modify a tuple, you cannot modify a tuple because tuples doesn't change. So next, the last mistake which you do is like assuming the set has a fixed order. No, sets will not have a fixed order. Don't rely on order in the set. It keeps on changing. This is your homework. Your 5 tasks for today. Store your name, date of birth, and cities as a tuple. Unpack and print each value separately. Take 10 numbers from users and remove the duplicates and print the unique values. 2 sets, morning students and evening students, find the common only and total unique values. Take a sentence from the user, print all unique characters in this set. Crazy. Try it. Create 5 city coordinates, tuples. You have to use tuples. Use entries like city name, display its coordinates. Once you have done your homework, comment date and done.
Today you have added 2 powerful tools in the Python tools. Tuples for the data which must never change and sets. Sets for the data that always be unique. This is what separates beginners from real world programmers. In the next video, we are going to learn about dictionaries. Date and done when you finish your homework. See you soon.